Hi everyone, this is Matis and Miriam again from Blue Guardrails, and we want to talk to you about week 3 of our company. So, Matis, what happened last week?
Well, a lot of things happened last week, but I want to dive right into what we did for our product. And as a reminder, what we're building is automated detection for hallucinations in RAG applications and agents. So you all know when your ChatGPT searches the web and then still hallucinates, we want to detect that at scale. So we dove deep into benchmarks of hallucination detectors. What's that? It's basically a method to test if your automated hallucination detector actually finds the hallucinations or it doesn't. The first benchmark we looked at was by a pretty well-known company in the AI evals space. Basically, their benchmark is pretty broken and doesn't work to actually benchmark hallucinations. Next up, we looked into RAG Truth, another benchmark that is widely used across the industry to test different hallucination detection models and methods. And we found that this benchmark is also lacking a little bit. They didn't quite find all the hallucinations. We applied our method and found that they identified about half of the actually occurring hallucinations. What else happened?
Well, we went to another meetup. This one was about observability in general and observability of AI applications, of course, more specifically. And I think this one was great and it was super interesting because the speakers covered a wide range of being more on the enterprise side to being more on the startup-y side. So we got a good glimpse into how everyone is thinking about observability currently and how new the field of AI observability is. So everyone's super interested in it, but I think there's a lot to explore for us and a lot to propose also when it comes to methods and all that. And also last week we started talking to people actually. So we reached out to a lot of people in our network who we know are building AI applications and most likely have encountered hallucinations. So, well, if you're one of these people building AI applications, having to deal with hallucinations, let us know. We would love to chat. See you next
Bye.
week. Bye.